Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna replace my turn signal, and also I got it from Oxido LED. I will leave a link in the description for you guys to see. As you see in my previous videos, I use the Oxido LED light, and these I used it for my turn signal, so they hyper flash, but this one's supposed to solve the problem where it doesn't hyper flash anymore, so that's why I'm going to change these. You can see this is the size for this one is the 7443 or 7440, whichever one you have. This bulb should fit it. And also I will have a link in the description where you guys can purchase these and also get this discount from there. So you can use my link in the description and it will give you a discount on the parts, on the bulb. So take it out the package. You have a small fan on here, so that helps with cooling. Also, it doesn't matter if you put negative, which way you put it in. If you know on LED, if you put positive to negative on LED, it won't turn on, but this one, it doesn't matter. If you push it this way, it will work, and if you push it this way, it will work. It doesn't matter. So that's good. Also, these bulbs have a built-in resistor in it, and that will help that will make the car not hyper flash. So I have a 2021 Honda Passport, as you can see, my 2021 Honda Passport, and it's what I'm gonna put in my turn signal in the front and in the back as well. So with that, so also guys, the body is made of plastic and aluminum, so the build quality is good. You can see the amount of LED you have compared to the what I'm gonna do is turn on my turn signal, my four-way flasher, and you will see the difference between the older version and the newer version. The older version was brighter than the LED, the regular bulb, the halogen bulb that come with the car. And this one is brighter than the the older one. So I already did one side already. This is the side that have this LED in it, and this is the other side that have the older design. You can see the difference. So they're pretty bright, guys, I must say, but this one, the one on the right, is a little bit brighter. So if you're dead center, you will see the one on the right is a little bit brighter. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the one on the, I mean, this side is brighter than the other side, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the one on the left and the one on the right, because I did the one on the left already. So let's start at the back. Also a quick video to show you the left side does not hyper flash and the right side does hyper flash. So let me show you. And it's all LED, no resistor on the connect to the wires. The resistor is built in the bulb. So I'm gonna go on the other side now to show you the hyper flash. You can see it hyper flash. So what I'm gonna do now is change the bulbs. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is Phillips screwdriver to remove this right here, and another one down here. You want to shake and pull at the same time, and it should come out. And right here is your turn signal, so you want to counterclockwise twist and pull back, and you will see the LED that I have in here. This is the LED that I have. This is the one I'm gonna put in. You can see the difference in size as well. So once again, it doesn't matter how you put it in, it will work. And you have a small fan there as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can see the fan work. So you can see the fan is spinning now, and it's working. So since it's working, we can just go ahead, install it, find the groove, and turn it clockwise to tighten it in. And you can see, you just need to set it back together. So to install it, you want to make sure these tabs right here line up with that right there and that one in the back. So once it line up, it will just go right in. So you just tighten up these, just snug them up. You don't have to over tighten them, and that's good right there. We're gonna go in the front, and we're gonna turn the wheel to the right. You need the wheel to turn to the right, and then you just remove those two Phillips screw right here. So we're just gonna remove this one right here, and this one right here. I'm gonna turn the signal off. So guys, the next thing we want to do is just reach in there, counterclockwise, pull out on it, pull out on this. This one is a flashback LED, switchback LED that flash white and yellow. But the Pasco don't have that feature. But the bulb I took out of it was the socket is for a 7443. Alright, so there we go. We have that installed now. We're just gonna line it back up in there. And set this back. And that should take care of our hyper flash that we have with LEDs. Me, I didn't mind hyper flash, but I'll get these sent to me, so I'm just gonna replace them. And we can turn on the I'm gonna turn on the turn signal and see if I already tested and I know it's working. So I already tested on the other side, so I know it's working. So we'll just turn it on to make sure everything is good. Turn on the ignition, turn on the signal. You can see there that it's not hyper flashing.
Yeah.
Go to the right side, and no hyper flash. Alright, so that gonna be it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time. So YouTube, that's the LED in it now. That's what it look like at night. You can see it's really bright, guys. Check out the back. It's like really bright at night too. So I'm happy with the LED I got. So that's it, guys. That's it. All the bulbs on my car is LED, and I'm gonna do an update on them because I got most of them from Oxito. So link will be in the description to where you can get yours. And I just put on one side just to show you guys that it's LED. I didn't put any resistor in it. The bulb itself have a built-in resistor and they do work, so it's not hyper flashing.